Hello, I'm Dr. Ramani. These English apps come to you from the studios of Apps Academia, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. In this lesson, we will try to understand what is foreign accent and how to make it global. Theoretically, every language has a fixed number of consonant sounds and vowels. English, for example, has 44 sounds, but actually there are more than 44 sounds in English. So also, in any language, there are more sounds than the ones that have been described in the phonology of that language. Let me explain. Say the word beat. B-E-A-T, beat. You see that the lips are in a flat shape for beat. Say the word boat. You see that the lips are made rounder for boat. So the B in beat and boat are not exactly the same. You can prove this to yourself. Think of the word beat and pronounce the beginning of it. Don't pronounce the vowel. Then do the same for boat. Think of the word but stop before the vowel. You'll hear and feel that the two sounds are different. Most of the movements that we make to pronounce these sounds are the same. So they sound alike, but they are not the same. We will take another example. He, hat, and who. All these three words begin with the sound H. But the vowels that follow are different. The three different vowels need three different mouth positions. So the H sound is also different. Listen again. He, hat, who. Again, let me tell you, they are almost the same, but are not identical. You can prove this again. Say the beginning of these words, stop at the vowel sound, just think about them. The point is that the B in beat and boat are different. But they are not as different from each other as P and B. Paper is different from boat. The B sound in the two words, beat and boat, have more similarities than differences. These groups of sounds are represented by one letter of the phonetic alphabet. Similarly, T, D, K, G, and others have their variants, but they are each represented by one letter of the phonetic alphabet. Here is the phonetic alphabet list. pen, copy, happen, back, baby, job, tea, tight, button, day, ladder, art, key, clock, school, get, giggle, ghost, church, match, nature, judge, age, soldier, fat, coffee, rough, photo, view, heavy, move, thing, author, path, this, other, smooth, soon, cease, sister, zero, music, roses, buzz, ship, shark, national, pleasure, vision, hot, hall, ahead, more, hammer, some, nice, nail, funny, sun, ring, anger, thanks, sung, light, valley, feel, right, wrong, sorry, range, yet, use, beauty, few, wet, when, queen, kit, bid, him, minute, dress, bed, head, many, trap, bad, lot, odd, wash, strut, mud, love, bled, foot, good, put, fleece, sea, machine, face, day, break, price, high, try, choice, boy, goose, two, blue, group, goat, show, nil, mouth, now, near, here, weary, square, fair, various, start, father, thought, long, north, war, poor, jury, cure, nurse, stir, learn, refer, about, common, standard, happy, radiate, glorious, thank you, influence, situation, suddenly, cotton, middle, metal. These are called the phonemes. A phoneme is the least sound unit of a language. Phonemes are sound devices. They make us keep each word separate from every other word. Feel and fill is a pair of words with one phoneme different. Pie and buy is another pair of words with one phoneme different. Once this is understood, we know what to do. First, we should be able to produce all the 44 sounds in English. Our production should show that they are distinctly different from each other. We should be able to reproduce the common features of each of these sounds, of phonemes. That helps us to show the difference between words and other expressions. The actual problem with accent lies elsewhere. Well, let me explain. The lips are flat when you produce the h sound in hat. It is hat. The lips are rounded when you produce the h sound in hood. Hood. You'll not be misunderstood if you say hat with rounded lips like hat, or hood with flat lips like hood, hood, could, they'll speak English, but not in the English way of speaking.